We've just acquired this Mercedes C250 diesel sport premium package. Absolutely superb condition with lots of extras on it. Comes with front and rear park distance control. Alloy wheels are AMG style, absolutely stunning, on immaculate condition, unmarked. All Pirelli tyres all round. Rear park distance, rear camera. The boot, unabused. It's electric tailgate. All very smooth action. It's got the panoramic roof, tilts and slides. The half leather Alcantara trim which comes with the sport specification. It's done 109,227 miles. Comes with satellite navigation, heated seats, 3-stage, Bluetooth compatibility, everything you want really. It's absolutely lovely condition. Cruise control obviously, climate control, automatic headlights, electric windows, mirrors. Great value for money. Just been recently serviced at Mercedes and has just had a full MOT. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.